What up, B-words? Stands for boys, YouTube, chill. We got another weird yet maybe cool product review today, boys. Back in action, we're back in the action. Boys, appreciate y'all for joining back. Thumbs up, comment down below, helps the channel, blah, blah, blah. You like how quick that was this time? Let's get on to it, boys. Alright, man, you guys know we've done crazy product reviews in the past, from freaking hot tubs for your balls, little nuggets down below, to a bunch of other weird stuff. Boys, I went online about couple months ago, because we all freaking know how Wishes was shipping, looking for the coolest / weirdest jewelry piece I could find. Boys, it finally came in the mail, and let me tell you, we found it. Without further ado, here's a crazy product we had to review. Bar's mama told you how to make it. That's it from Wish, literally free. You gotta pay shipping. That's how Wish does their crap. Free items. I guess that's how we do our crap on our website. Link is down below. We'll wait to do that ad later. Chill, Brad. Anyway, free from Wish. Let's check out this product. I'm just very excited to even see how this works. Freaking knew that was coming. Hate chairs. Alright, boys, let's get into it. So what we actually got, I'm so excited for this, is grills. Y'all know the rapper Grills, they all wear them. Of course you know it. Grills that are retractable. How does that work, Bran? Good question. It's like some freaking sci-fi. I love it. They're like grill fangs. You know what I mean? Like the vampires, of course you know that too. They retract. The grills that retract, boys. That sounds wicked, so we have to check it out. Oh, like, and when I say retract, like the fangs go in and out of your mouth by command. I don't know if you like say a word and they go back in. I doubt that. But like, they shoot in and out of your mouth. It's sick, probably. Alright, boys. Weird review time. We haven't done one of these in a little while. We got a goddamn retainer case. I used to have retainers, bro, because my teeth were all left up. Guess what happened? Didn't help. So as we can see, that's weird. What the f? It is a retainer. And they're white! What do I look like, a freaking Twilight douche? I'm already dropping stuff. How does this work? And there's gunk on this one. What the hell is this? This might be just dumb. I was hoping to put cool in the title or something to draw your attention, but I don't know if that's the truth. I really don't. What do you do? So as y'all can see, they're retractable. They're white. I hate that part because they're supposed to be grills. Like, I'm trying to hook you guys up with cool, like, grills. You go to the club or something and you want to wear retractable gold grill fangs. Well, maybe, well, like, I would recommend it, but do it if you want to. I don't like how they just look. Boys, I think I got some extra spray paint. We're spray painting these buggers gold real quick. I'm sorry. It's gonna look so much cooler. How does it work? Show how it looks. Oh! What the fuck? Oh god, it tears your gums apart. You know what, now that I look at this, I think these are some of those silicone things that you put in regular fake grills and it molds to your teeth. We gotta do that too. First, let's spray paint these biatches. Cause it ain't cool unless they're gold, boys. We're turning these things from Count Douchula to Count Sicula. You feel me? Alright, let's go. We'll be back in a sec, big guy. I didn't think this turned into a goddamn, what do they call those, tutorial or anything, boys. But before we check out the level of retraction, we gotta make them look a little sick. You know what I mean? Oh, God. Told you, boys. Oh, God. Oh, I forgot. The remnants. This is our Diamond Johnny Dang watch. We tried to spray paint gold so it looks sicker. Didn't work out. Ah, frick it. Let's, does that still work? Cool. Let's make these fangs look sick. Oh, God. Oh, you idiot. Oh, you idiot. Idiot. It took me to see this thing all covered in spray paint to think of the fact that they gotta go back in my mouth after. God, where's your lighting, dude? Shoot. All right, well, this is a good time for an ad while these dry, I guess. We also gotta put the plastic things in and, like, do that part so it fits better in my mouth so they can hopefully retract and not hurt me, you know? Oh, shit. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. The one-stop shop to a bunch of cheap jewelry. When I say cheap, it's absolutely free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. I already know you saw something on there that you liked. Buy it. 2 of them for free. 2 of any for free. Appreciate you guys. Link is down below, NameBranFam.com. Oh shoot, no. God damn, why'd you do that one-handed? Alright, we'll place these here to dry for a sec, blow. Alright, well that dries right here. We also got these little goopy buggers, boys. We got what these are is silicone. They mold to your teeth, you know what I mean? So if you ever played sports with like mouth guards or had ever fake grills, that's what it is. You're gonna do that and mold them. You gotta put them in hot water, that's it. Get the hot water, put them in. Oh shoot, where's the other one? Oh shoot. What? I thought I was chewing on both. Oh no, I was. I think I swallowed the other one. I'm not even lying. I think I swallowed the other one. Oh God, what a mess. Okay, well this is ready. Shoot. Oh God. Yes! Found it. Let's go. Oh. Okay. False alarm. All right, we got both. This wasn't gonna work without both. We'll do this. I'm just gonna speed this up real quick. We'll go back to the room right now. Sorry for the panic. Forget about it. So we got these molten hot, freaking gusher-like things right here. We're gonna put them back in their place, and this is where I'm gonna mold to my teeth. 1, 2, and then you bite. This isn't dry yet. The spray paint's not dry. Fudge. Oh God. Don't put spray paint in your mouth, boys. Forget it. We're just gonna do... Oh, we have gold spray paint everywhere. Let's try this one more time. I don't care if it hurts anymore. It's just that's how it works. Like that? I didn't set it up right. What a mess. What an absolute mess. Somehow putting it in the hot water made them mold. These things mold so they don't even stick to the thing we need it to stick to anymore, man. Alright. We're back. Hey, what's up? I'm a regular person. I think I screwed it. I've got gold spray paint all over me. This is awful. Where my tongue is, so this, you push it with your tongue, and then they retract, supposedly. Do they? No. Is it from Wish? Yes. I'm not even gonna lie, honestly. I hate to say it, I think it's my freaking screwed up teeth on this side. It's not holding in where it should. I think that's my issue. I think these actually are supposed to work, and that all comes back to my janked up teeth, boys. That's all it is. I can't even be making excuses right now saying that, well, it's definitely a bad product, but I can't be saying that it's their fault, because I think it's my teeth's fault. Not mine, my teeth. A long time, I'm over it. What a dumb product. Stupid. Appreciate you guys. I'm gonna go soak my mouth so I don't have gold spray paint in it anymore. Yep, that's gross. What do we think about this product, boys? Let me know down below. Would you buy it? If you got some nice front teeth, I don't know. She could work a little better. I'm just not the good example here. There goes me being a vampire. Appreciate you. Bye. Stupid product. That's what we think. Cool, but stupid. Dumb. We don't want it. Love you guys. Bye.